Want to know how to check if caps lock is on using Java? So you can also check if a caps lock is on or off in Java. So I'm just going to use in this video a simple compiler for it. So unfortunately, you might require actual GUI application to check it, but I'm just going to show you for an example and explanation. So in this code, what we use is we use the toolkit class along with get locking state key. So we use this simple method. So right here you can see the get logging state on the 6th line right here. So now if it returns true, the caps lock is on, otherwise it's simply off. This is handy for applications that require passwords input from validations where case matters. Just remember, this feature only works in GUI supported environments, not online compilers, but it's a fun and practical feature to test on your local machine. And that's it. That's how you detect caps lock status in Java. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day. Let's see you in the next one.